What is up, YouTube? And today I'd like to talk about Kratom again. It's been a while. I'm actually on it right now. Yeah, I'm such a crackhead or whatever. What people say about Kratom nowadays. Some comments said get your life together or whatever. But in all honesty, today I'd like to talk about Kratom and constipation. This is a very serious issue that many users do have. And I agree. I've had it, my fair share of it, which is pretty much my main problem from Kratom. Although I have a way to avoid it. So the trick is, number one, don't do kratom all day. Don't do it. Now, number one reason why I say don't do kratom all day is because you are ingesting so much insoluble fiber. Kratom is a plant that is insoluble fiber, um, and it doesn't really add much to your stool. It actually causes loose stools. Um, I've had that issue with kratom as well. Um, but yeah, don't do kratom all day. What I do is I do my kratom dose in the morning, 5 grams, my first dose, and then 6 hours later, I take my final dose of kratom, which is 5 grams, and then I usually have about 18 to 20 hours space time, completely sober. Now there's a window in the morning. If you have an urge to go to the bathroom, you have to do it. This is number two. If you have the Number two is if you have the urge to go to the bathroom, you cannot stop yourself from using the bathroom. You will get clogged up, and that's not even with or without kratom, folks. If you ignore your body saying to you to go to the bathroom to take a scheisse or tinkle dinkle, then yeah, you're gonna have some health issues. So just make sure to get that out of the way. Another trick I like to do, I like to eat bananas. Careful though, microsieverts or radiation are involved in eating bananas. I'm just kidding. Wait, actually, I'm not. But um, but yeah, just eat bananas. Eat anything like let's say anything like beans. There is a catch though. Don't eat fast food beans. There's nothing like that. Have real beans and rice. Uh, I like almond beans. Are pretty good. Trying to think of another one. Avocados are good. I eat avocados. And number three, drink water. Because kratom dehydrates you, you have to drink water. You have to drink about maybe I drink about 7 cups a day total. Now we have to think about this that the average standard cup size is about 8 fluid ounces. You have to make sure that you, yeah, him, but make sure that you have about, let's say, okay, 8 fluid ounces times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. Have about 54 fluid ounces of water a day, at least. That's actually just for your health in general. You need to drink water. With kratom, you might have to drink more. Um, my math is probably wrong, by the way, but the point is drink water. Don't do kratom all day. Be about 18 to 20 hours sober from kratom every day. Um, and number three, don't ignore your body sensations to use the bathroom. Um, yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'm zenning right now. It's new to me. I might do a review on that some other time. But yeah, guys, I apologize uh for my lack of videos. I'm trying to make more regarding kratom and stuff. But I don't really, everybody has a misconstruction about kratom, and a lot of people don't really know about it, so it's really taboo. A lot of people abuse it, and many stores, it's they sell extract 7-OH. I am condemning. Do not buy their products. Um, 7-OH is the single-handed reason why I think kratom deaths are happening because it's a chemical from the kratom plant itself that is very, very potent. Just make sure to be safe and don't mix it with anything. That's my take, guys. See you later.